So you've created all your measures necessary. So all you just need to do is just the first thing. So on your metrics table, you need to add the metrics to your report page. Change it to a slicer. Preferably you could format this to single select. So I always prefer a single selection. I always use a single selection, and then all you just need to just do is for every the only DAX measure on your report page should now be just selected metrics. Um, so I'm using a card, so I'm kind of like building something simple. So I'm using a card, and then so I want to show that once my selection changes, value changes. So because revenue is selected, this is my selected measure on a card. Once I change my selection to cost, it changes also. Similarly, once I change my selection to profit, it changes also. And if we could just check, if revenue is 35 million, my cost is 24 million. My profit is literally revenue minus cost, which is about 11 million. 35 minus 24, and we get this. And the beauty is irrespective of whatever dimension I'm using, the same thing still works. So I could add the states. Let's add the states. Let's use a table just to see the numbers. Then here's my metric. Uh, so I'm not going into design yet, but irrespective, and we could just check. So let's add our revenue, and so let me change select revenue, and I added my revenue DAX measure, my normal the original SumX revenue DAX measure, and we could still check the numbers are equal, the totals are equal. If I move to cost also, so I'm adding my cost to this table, still have a similar thing. There's literally no difference between the cost, irrespective of the way the measure was created. Similarly, if I add my profit to the table and I select my profit, I still have the same profit, about 1 million, 1.2 M is about 3 million. Same thing for my measure. And with this, you could create a single page report that displays multiple metrics rather than creating about, for instance, you have to create a page for your revenue, a page for cost, a page for profit, and that could slow down your reports.